Welcome to the Bitcoin update. So if you guys would like to join the trading group, click the watermark in the right-hand corner of the screen. I will post this to my Discord first, and then I'll post to YouTube, half hour later. But let's look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin right now. I had this in a falling wedge inside of a ascending triangle. These break up 68% of the time. Bitcoin is struggling right now based on this. It's not a good thing for the bulls. I'm not long on Bitcoin. I'm actually short on Ethereum now. I had to flip short based on what happened today on Ethereum's price action. But to me right now, Bitcoin is in critical condition. Bitcoin must reclaim this level basically right here at 95K. If you do not reclaim 95K by tonight's daily candle close, in about 8 hours, I would be 7 hours actually, probably just about 7 hours, 7.5 hours. I would be looking for a move further to the downside. 95K is weekly resistance, and you can't seem to get above it. I would say 95.8 is weekly resistance. You can't get above it. You have support at 93.7. If we don't hold 93.7, your next stop is $92,265, then 91.5. And if you don't hold 91.5, I see a fast move down to 89.2, 89.3. Those are the key levels to watch. Bitcoin must reclaim 95, preferably 95.8, but at least 95K to get back inside the pattern. If you can't do that, I would be looking for more downside on Bitcoin. We'll see what happens, but right now, Bitcoin does not look good to me on the 4-hour time frame. The trend is your friend until the end. Right now, we are above the 200 on the 4-hour, but I see more downside until you can reclaim, at least get back in the pattern. But I would like to see Bitcoin just break out above 95.8. Anything above 95.8 is a breakout. Anything above 95K is a good news. But to me right now, Bitcoin's struggling. 1 hour kind of trying to get the balance, but it's taking 4 hours off the lows to get a bounce, and it's still a lackluster bounce. So see what happens. The good news is we're oversold pretty much on the 4-hour. The daily scares me a lot. That's just starting the dump, and that suggests that we've topped out at 95.8 locally. The 3-day, same situation. That looks horrific. We're not even starting to move to the downside on the 3-day. I think the most likely situation is that, yes, you're above the 200 on the 4-hour, but it's probably likely you come retest the 4-hour 200 at some point. The 1-hour 200 finally got lost. You got right back above it. If we lose 93.9 again, you'd be losing the 1-hour 200. Then I'd be looking for the 2-hour 200. I think at some point in the next week, Bitcoin revisits the 4-hour 200-day moving average down there at 87K. Maybe not quite that low, but I would be looking for a move to the downside on Bitcoin. So I'd be watching the 1-hour and the 2-hour 200-day moving averages because, again, you lost it for a second, got right back above it. I would be pretty surprised if, at least in the next week, we don't see the high 80s on Bitcoin. So I'd be calling for a move to the downside. I think we'll get better prices. Now, if this, then that. I believe we're going to see the high 80K range in the next 7 to 14 days, unless we reclaim at least 95K. So that's my update for Bitcoin. I see downside on Bitcoin. I just did a video on Jasmine, and I see downside on Jasmine, and I'm about to do an update on Dogecoin, and my guess is Dogecoin looks the same way, but we'll look at it. If you guys have requests for other altcoins, let me know in the comment section below. Always have a great rest of your Wednesday afternoon. It'll be at least Wednesday afternoon by the time I post this in 15 minutes. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers. Have a great Wednesday, and the trend is your friend until the end. Right now the trend is up, but it looks really bad to me on the smaller time frames. Adios. I'll see you guys in the